Man, I want to say RP my nigga Mad Max, man. RP my nigga J Black, man.
RP my nigga
RP my nigga Flame. RP my nigga Way.
Free Mook. You hear me?
Rip Jalen.
Free my nigga Mike Clegg. Free my nigga Moore. Mr. Penn, but like, oh, Mike, we don't like nobody, nigga.
Free paid.
Free paid. Tito. You know
Free 80s.
Free 80s.
Elite team.
And shout out to every nigga that's working in the city, bro. If you got some motion going on in the city, my nigga, shout out to you.
Sure, for sure.
No hat. Shout out to everybody out in the city doing their thing. You feel me?
I want to know, man, who are y'all top 5 Inkster rappers, bro? And we can start. Matter of fact, let's start with you, Vo, man. Who your top 5, bro?
Yeah, Vo.
Yeah, put him on the spot.
I'm gonna pass on this question, man, for the safety of everybody.
No,
No, keep it G,
no,
man.
because it's not. One thing it's not about is no damn safety. We asking him how you feel.
Keep it gangster, nigga. On a humble
Top
soul.
5.
Be humble and keep it gangster.
Top 5, bro.
That nigga gonna get offended about your
That
playlist. That nigga gonna get offended by your playlist.
I mean, shit.
I don't give a fuck how y'all feel about my top 5.
I'm about to say who I said. I said mine.
I said on this job.
I took that long too, though, bro.
I don't know. I'm trying to think, like.
That's a question for your ass.
But I'm saying, I'm only listening to the gang shit.
You say you listen to what? What you say?
You only listen to gang.
You feel me?
shit.
Like
I
I still
my
bang,
nigga.
bro. I still bang. Welcome to the Woods. Shout out to my nigga 76 King. That nigga, my bro ain't dropped nothing in
King
the second.
hard,
That
too.
shit, that's an old tape. I still
King
Tell
hard.
him who gang is.
You feel me? I still, man. I be all.
Oh, that's LAG. Yeah.
Yeah, LAG.
Runaway Love. You feel me? LAG. Tragic. My tragic family. You feel me? Money.
Shout out to J
Wine.
Money.
You feel me? Louis. You know, that's all I really bang. This gang shit. I be waiting for them niggas to drop. I'm on their ass. Like, what's next? And then I got my own music.
Yeah, you ain't gonna put
On
yourself
top
in
of
there.
that, I got so much unreleased shit. I'm out there for, you know, that I got. You know what I'm saying? So it really be, that's really what be in my rotation. Or I'm listening to some industry shit. To be honest.
Would you say you mess with Mozzie and who else you mess with from the industry?
Oh, Mozzie. I ain't gonna lie. Lately, I've been banging a lot of, like, I just been giving everybody a chance type shit. Like, I listen to Mozzie, shit, me, Kevin Gates,
Who y'all who
Future.
you banging in the car right now?
Right now?
Right now. Who you banging right
Shit,
now?
I just did some new shit. So you know what I'm on for. You gotta play the songs.
Okay, then.
Play the songs, you know. And
I just had to ask.
And I'm trying to get my tape in order too. So
Who I'm banging in the car right now? Who the fuck we was listening to on the way here?
I don't even fucking know, bro.
Hold on, so you
This
next?
is on straight, but go ahead,
Runaway. Yeah. What's your top 5 Inkster?
Shit, I listen. Well, shit, I've been listening to what's the name tape too since he dropped. That's the shit I just played. Like most recently is that is Bad Gang Javar shit.
Man, it's hard.
That's why that's the most recent like outside of.
He going, especially the intro.
Yeah,
That's me just banging on the way here type shit.
That's one of my favorite rappers, man, out of Detroit.
Checking out his tape. I listen to everybody.
Go ahead, nigga. Don't.
Bitch, I'm trying to think, no, because I don't listen to music at all.
That's what I'm saying.
So bluegrass.
on some, I don't listen to music at all. You get in the car with me, we riding that bitch silent as hell. I don't care.
This nigga's weird.
So let me think.
When you got your headphones on at home.
I don't wear them bitches. I gave my AirPods
5
to a
names
stripper.
that's all his own different nicknames.
Yeah, let me know, man. This jump out.
I
Mr. Runaway Love.
Listen to a nigga named Runaway.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna do mine.
I listen to
Let me do
another
mine.
nigga named Runaway Love.
I'm gonna do mine, bro. Who I said? I said Microwave Man. Who else I say?
You said Runaway Love.
Runaway Love.
You said
I said P Gutter.
P Gutter.
The Gang and me.
I said the Gang, of course.
Yeah, you said you and you said
And I
Lynxx.
said
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all I listen to. Literally.
That's what I'm saying.
Like,
And I'm not saying that like I listen to them niggas every day. Either.
Yeah, and you ain't being biased
You know what I'm
either.
saying?
Top
I'm being
5.
biased.
Yeah, like I play. What I do is I play all my nigga shit out. You feel me? Like I play it all out. But I be having they unreleased shit too. So you feel me? Like I'ma play they tape, but I done already heard the tape. You feel me? But I downloaded and play it. I even let that shit play, shuffle through that shit, you feel me, while I'm asleep, so the numbers still go up, you feel me? I be on that. But that's all I listen to, for real. Like, if I just be at the crib and cut something on, I just cut one of my nigga shit on, and then I do, you feel me, I be cleaning up, you feel me, and just let all my nigga shit play. Like, the whole game, you feel me, how Block, Lynxx, Bird, you feel me, my nigga, Vo, Money, King,
and I bang a lot of
Wine,
I bang a lot of artists.
Hey,
and add it up, you feel me,
King, one of the hardest niggas, bro. With this shit.
Shout out my
from
nigga
across the
76
ass,
King.
bro.
No cap.
King, one of the hardest niggas doing this shit from across the ass.
Shout out all the LAG, shout out all the
Facts.
Tragic
No cap. My nigga King don't drop enough music,
that nigga
bro.
talk that shit.
But the shit that he be sending us,
That
y'all
nigga talking
niggas
that
lucky
shit.
he don't
Nigga.
drop enough music.
Yeah, he one of them ones, nigga, talking that shit. Go look up my nigga 716.
So for me, I don't have a top 5. And I'm gonna tell you why.
No, that wasn't no order. He said it wasn't no order.
No. I got too many favorites. So for me, what I would say is I'll give you my, like how you know you playing who you banging. I'll give you my top 5 that I'm playing right now out of Inkster. Can I do that?
Do your thing.
Cause I ain't gonna lie, I worked with all of them people we just brought up, and they all phenomenal. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about like it's hard. I'm biased too, so
Don't be biased.
No. What I'm saying is as far as the shit that I like. So I don't have it in me to just be like I like that shit.
Yeah, speak your mind.
I give a nigga they props, but I'm not gonna tell you. It's not if I don't know the words to the songs, I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? I know the words to all of their music.
Sure.
All 3 of these guys right here. All the guys they named, I know the words to the songs. But outside of that, I should say, on the top 5, I want to bring up a few people I know probably won't get brought up as far as Inkster's ear. But Tez the Don
Facts.
is somebody that I'm listening to right now.
You said Tez the Don?
Yeah, I fuck with Tez. I fuck with Tez the long way.
That's a real artist too.
I ain't gonna lie, and I'm going off. I want to just say LOM all in one, but I wouldn't be able to do that. You know what I'm saying? Because it's specifics with all of them. Like Pills is probably one of the few people outside of Microwave that put out a fucking double disc from our neighborhood that really, and they ain't just the only ones, because I know some OGs that did that shit. But
36 songs.
music I can listen to all the way through. You know.
You already know.
Rambo. You know what I'm saying? Is another one.
Damn, I did say Rambo. I said
Oh,
Rambo.
you said Rambo.
I said Rambo too.
Yeah.
His shit
kept
is
going.
very different. Babo.
No cap.
Babo is another one.
Mr. Bottom Feeder, he hard.
K Money is probably another one of our heaviest pillars today as far as
Hey,
making
K Money,
the
the
bass.
cold. Hey, I want to say this too though, bro. Bro, finish.
He one of the most underrated.
K Money, the
lyricists
coldest
from our
producer in
neighborhood.
Michigan.
You know what's crazy? I
No
like how
cap.
you rap too.
K Money, the
I
coldest
was
producer
he one of the
in
most
Michigan, bro.
underrated lyricists from our
Yeah.
neighborhood.
Ain't nobody fucking with. I watched that nigga
That
grow,
late
bro.
night, early mornings.
I used to go to K Money
I
Daddy.
like that album.
I used to go to his
I
daddy
was-
crib in
I
the
was-
city.
I was there with him the whole time.
In the basement,
You
bro.
feel
In
me?
the
And
basement.
him, what he did with him and
So
All
me,
Hold
Star
on, before you
JR.
finish, bro.
Go ahead.
Facts.
I used to
That
go to
project
his daddy
did-
crib
You
in
know
the
what you
city.
talking about?
Yeah.
You know what
Like,
Yeah, I ain't
before
gonna
all
lie,
of this
we
shit.
all grew up together. Like
That
me and
nigga
him
K, bro.
Me and K been locked
K
in
came
since
a long
kindergarten.
way.
That's one of my best friends.
Yeah, he cold.
My
Nigga,
nigga K
that's-
came
that's
a
my
long
right
way.
hand.
K Money and Lil Run.
Lil
They
Ron.
two, they two of my favorite
Yeah,
producers.
Lil
Talking
Ron
about Cash Out Run.
Nah,
Lil
Lil
Ron
Run.
on the track.
Yeah,
on the
Lil
beats.
Run on the
Beats.
track.
I
I don't know.
Niggas
Hold on,
don't know
it's
about
a-
Cash Out Run, but that's another
He a
nigga
producer
from our
too?
neighborhood.
Nah,
No,
he a
he
rapper.
rap.
Oh yeah, I ain't familiar.
Exactly.
I gotta look him up.
I mean, some niggas from our shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Some underdogs and niggas ain't gonna count.
to
Shout out my nigga
Lil
Ray
Ron,
Gray.
man.
You know what I'm saying? Shout outs to
Yeah.
shout outs to the whole
Before that
Tragic
bitch
R&A.
dead, man, I want to.